Welcome to the Stock Mirror platform, where we skip the noise and see the signal. Today we're looking at GK Energy Limited, which recently released its second quarter results for financial year 2026. Let's jump into revenue growth. GK Energy delivered strong 51.75% year-on-year revenue growth for the first half of financial year 2026. The company is on track with its targets, having installed 24,502 solar pumps, a 50.77% year-on-year growth. They maintain a robust order book of 863.98 crore rupees. Now moving to margin change. EBITDA margins expanded to 20.57% in Q2 financial year 2026, up from 19.83% in Q2 financial year 2025. This margin expansion category reflects volume efficiencies and better supply chain control. Let's dive into outlook. The short-term outlook is positive, with 65% of annual business typically in the second half. The company is targeting 50,000 pumps in H2 financial year 2026, with monthly installations of 8,000 to 10,000 pumps. Long-term, PM KUSUM 2.0 is expected to be 3 times larger than the previous scheme. Zooming into market share status is gain. GK Energy maintains 15 to 18% market share as the second largest player in solar pumps. They differentiate through an asset-light EPC model and strong execution capabilities. Quick note on important questions. Management explained their asset-light EPC model allows transferring cost pressures to vendors while maintaining margins. They expect PM KUSUM 2.0 to be 3 times larger than the previous scheme, with Maharashtra's Meghal Tyala scheme having 8.5 lakh pump potential. Brief update on investments. Short-term investments focus on working capital for pump installations, with inventory days increasing from 31 to 55 days. Long-term, they're building a 1 gigawatt solar module manufacturing facility in Maharashtra, expected operational by September 2026. Now moving to growth versus margin focus. Management emphasizes both growth and margins. Their strategy leverages volume efficiencies, supply chain control, and an asset-light business model to maintain and improve margins while pursuing rapid growth. Please check stockmirror.in platform link in the description below. Thank you for watching our Stock Mirror Earnings Insights. If you found this helpful, please do like, share, and subscribe for more updates.